Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the best AI presentation makers that can take your slides and PowerPoint presentations to the next level. We're talking about tools that do some of the heavy lifting, helping you design, organize, and deliver presentations that are not just informative, but also visually engaging. Imagine using AI to generate slide layouts, suggest color schemes, and even create animations that make your content pop. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just starting out, trust me, these AI-powered tools are about to become your secret weapon. We're going to break down the top players in the game, showing you what each one brings to the table and how they can help you create presentations that really pop. So if you're ready to ditch those boring static slides and step up your presentation game, then buckle up because we're about to dive in. First up, we have Beautiful.ai. Now this tool is all about making your presentations look, well, beautiful. It's like having a personal design assistant that helps you create stunning slides without needing any actual design skills. One of the things I really like about Beautiful.ai is its intuitive interface. It's super user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech whiz, you'll be able to navigate it like a pro. They have all sorts of templates to choose from, and the AI kicks in to help you customize them to fit your brand or your message. But it's not just about looks with Beautiful.ai. They also have some really cool collaboration features. So, if you're working on a presentation with a team, you can all jump in, make edits, and share feedback in real time. That's a game changer for productivity. For example, the AI can automatically adjust font sizes, align text perfectly, and even recommend design elements that match your content. This makes the whole design process faster and more efficient, allowing you to focus on your message rather than the details. Next up, we have Canva. And let me tell you, Canva is a powerhouse when it comes to design. You might already know them for their social media graphics or posters, but their presentation tools are on another level. And the best part, Canva is incredibly beginner-friendly. Their drag-and-drop interface makes designing a breeze, and their AI features are there to guide you every step of the way. Whether you need help choosing the right fonts, colors, or images, Canva's AI has got your back. Plus, Canva has this massive library of stock photos, videos, and design elements that you can use to really make your presentation stand out. And if you're looking for inspiration, they have tons of templates to get your creative juices flowing. Imagine needing an infographic in a pinch. Canva's AI can instantly create one for you. Or perhaps you need custom icons or want to enhance an image. Canva's AI has you covered there too. For instance, you can use AI to generate a presentation outline, saving you hours of planning. Need to visualize data? Canva's AI can suggest the best charts and graphs for your data. And if you want to add some flair, AI can even help you with animations and transitions to make your slides pop. Now, if you're looking for a tool that's packed with features, then you need to check out Visme. Visme is like the Swiss Army knife of presentation software. It's got everything you need to create professional, engaging presentations. One of the things that sets Visme apart is its AI-powered design suggestions. As you're working on your slides, Visme will actually analyze your content and suggest design elements, layouts, and even color palettes that can enhance your message. It's like having a design consultant right there with you. And Visme doesn't stop at static slides. They also have tools for creating interactive content, like quizzes, polls, and even animated charts and graphs. This is a game changer if you really want to captivate your audience and make your presentations more memorable. For example, you can use AI to create consistent slide templates, suggest smooth transitions, and optimize layouts for better readability. Okay, so we've talked about tools that help you design beautiful presentations. But what if I told you there's an AI that can actually help you create the entire presentation for you? Well, that's where SlideBean comes in. SlideBean uses AI to take care of the entire presentation creation process, from organizing your content to designing your slides. All you have to do is feed it your information, whether it's text, bullet points, or even just a rough outline, and SlideBean will work its magic. But don't worry, you're still in control. SlideBean gives you plenty of customization options, so you can tweak the design, rearrange slides, and make sure the final product aligns with your vision. It's like having an AI co-pilot for your presentations. Imagine generating entire presentations from just a text outline, or creating data visualizations effortlessly. Plus, it can even suggest relevant images to enhance your slides. Last but not least, we have Zoho Show. Now, Zoho is known for its suite of business productivity tools, and Zoho Show is their answer to creating powerful and professional presentations. One of the things that makes Zoho Show stand out is its seamless integration with other Zoho apps. So if you're already using Zoho CRM or Zoho projects, you can easily pull in data and information directly into your presentations. That's a huge time saver. And of course, Zoho Show comes with its own set of AI tools to help you streamline the presentation creation process. They have AI-powered features for everything from suggesting relevant content to even helping you rehearse and improve your delivery. Imagine getting real-time feedback on your slide design, automated proofreading to catch errors, and even suggestions on how to engage your audience better. Zoho Show's AI tools make all of this possible, making it a true partner in your presentation journey. So there you have it, guys. Those are some of the best AI-powered presentation makers out there right now. Each one of these tools brings its own unique strengths to the table, so it really depends on your specific needs and preferences. But one thing's for sure, AI is changing the way we create and deliver presentations. With these tools at your disposal, you can say goodbye to boring, static slides and hello to engaging, visually stunning presentations that are sure to captivate your audience. Imagine using AI to analyze audience reactions, provide performance metrics, and suggest improvements for future presentations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and tips. Let me know in the comments which AI presentation maker you're most excited to try out.